Is that my phone? Yeah,
Ready?
it's okay.
On this line, you're using a mixture of sizes.
Okay.
Want me to get your phone?
Use the same mixture on the collar
Okay.
on both kids and the cuffs on Joel.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, hi, Dad. Let me get Joanne here.
Okay. Okay. Tell him just I'll call him right back. I better call him right back.
Oh, she'll call you right back, okay?
Okay.
On the fishnet, you're just going to use a few of the little black ones.
Should they
Dotted.
leave, honey?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dotted on top of the black.
We're almost done here at
Can you-
Assembly, and we'll
Just
be
a
so,
few,
by the time you get there,
about
we'll
every
be there.
inch apart. Is that what you said?
Okay.
Hang on,
Thanks.
as soon as he's done. Do them every couple of inches to start, and then fill in later
Fill
if
in
you have
whatever you want.
leftovers.
And that's on the fishnet here and the fishnet
Any
there.
of the fishnet
And then
parts.
here it's a mixture of pink. I remember
Picks-
that.
Yep, on the pink it's a mixture of 2 sizes of pink.
Okay. Okay.
And I think that's it for now.
Okay. And then Joel's has.
Joel-
I'm trying to remember what his has. We don't have to do anything to the pants, right? Nothing to the
Mm-mm,
pants.
nothing to the
Fishnet,
pants.
same thing.
Fishnet, same thing. Do some black ones down this line.
Okay, that one.
This line gets black only.
Okay. Mixture of color of
I don't-
sizes.
You know, it's up to you. If you think it looks good with a mixture, that's fine. Otherwise, you could just do one size right down the middle.
Okay.
And same thing here. Just pink.
Pink on that.
Mhm.
In mixture sizes, it's up to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, that'll help.
Okay.
All right.
All right.